So in this video, you'll learn how to reset the touch control settings of your Soundcore Aerofit 2 earbuds. So if you've previously made some customizations to the touch control menu and you want to take them back to default, then it's fairly simple. All you need to do is simply launch the Soundcore app on your phone, whether it's an iPhone or an Android phone. And then from here, you want to ensure that the buds are connected. And once connected, you want to come to Controls and select it. Under Controls, you want to scroll all the way down, and then at the bottom, you should see the option Reset. It doesn't really matter if you're using the left or right, as long as when you scroll down, you see this option Reset. So tap on it once, and then confirm that you wish to take your touch control customizations back to default. So tap on Yes. And then you'll notice now any of the changes that you had made previously have been undone, and it's gone back to the default settings, which means that you've successfully performed the action. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.